memorize lots of English words but still struggle to use them when speaking? Here is a simple change that makes a big difference. Hi, I'm Teacher MJ, and this is Easy English with MJ. And this is another episode of English Tip Monday. Let's get started. Many English learners learn vocabulary like this: decision, meaning a choice; improve, meaning become better; advice, meaning a suggestion. And then they move on to the next word. But here's the problem. Knowing the meaning of a word does not always mean you know how to use it. So today, I'm going to show you a better way to learn vocabulary. The tip is, don't just learn words alone. Learn them in phrases and sentences. Now, when you speak, you are not just trying to build sentence word by word. You've already learned the natural combination. Are you following? You've already learned the natural combination, so it's easier. Another example, let's take the word opportunity. Instead of simply remembering opportunity means a chance, learn phrases like get an opportunity, have an opportunity, an amazing opportunity, a great opportunity to learn. Then put it into a sentence. For example, I had an opportunity to work with an international company. That is much more useful than simply memorizing the definition. Why does this work? Because real English isn't spoken one word at a time. Native speakers naturally use groups of words together. For example, we say make a mistake, not do a mistake. We say take a break, not make a break. And we say pay attention, not give attention. So when you learn vocabulary in phrases, you are also learning how English naturally works. Try this today. The next time you learn a new English word, don't stop at the definition. Ask yourself 3 questions. Question 1. What words usually go with it? Question 2. What phrases can I make with it? Question 3. Can I use it in my own sentence? For example, the word priority. Don't just learn priority means something important. Learn a top priority. Make something a priority. My first priority. Then make your own sentence. For example, improving my English is one of my top priorities. Here is your challenge for the day. Choose one new English word. Find 3 common phrases with that word. Then create 3 sentences of your own. Don't just collect English words, use them. Remember, vocabulary isn't about how many words you know. It's about how well you can use these words you know. See you next Monday on another episode of English Tip Monday. Until then, keep speaking English with confidence. Happy learning!